Hello guys, this is FunZone, and today I want to show you how to set up a Minecraft 1.4 beta Bukkit server with plugins. I will go a little fast because I don't want to waste your time too much. I will set up the links in the description. First, what you want to do is to download the server software from Bukkit. First link. And sometimes my computer lags because I'm recording. When you go to the Bukkit setting up a server site, you will either choose Windows or Linux or Mac, of course. But I have Windows, and you will click on download Craftbukkit's latest recommended build. So let's save that. And now you take the file, cut, and place it into your server folder. Remember, the server folder needs to just be text name, no exclamation marks, just text, and no one dot, just text, or else it will not work. So now let's set up, and if we run this, it will create the world but no window, which is very stupid. But as you can see in the task manager, it is running. So let's just wait for plugins. You will just run it, or just wait for a launcher I will create for you. It needs just wait for when it creates a folder named plugins. There we go. Now we'll end this. Now the server is not working anymore. Now we will create the launcher. Go to text document, create a new text document, launcher, and now we will get the code, which I will post in the description for you. If you change the name of the launcher, you need to change this snapshot 0.0.0.1 snapshot. You need to change that to the name you changed to. You save as. It's very important you save it as bat.bat. And now it should work. And as you can see, we can now see a log. Now we'll just keep it running. Now we'll set up a Hamachi server so your friends can join. We will get the plugins later. The link will be in the description, of course, and you click download. It is free. When you have set that up, you will go to Hamachi. Into Hamachi, it will be offline. Just click this button. You can also port forward yourself the router. Hamachi does just port forward it for you automatically for you, which is easier. And I have lost my password. If I had it, I will just port forward. But when you in Hamachi, you will go up to network, create a new network, and then you could type MC server and set up a password. Just leave it blank if you don't want a password. When you have done that, you will invite your friends, like I have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 friends. And now just send a name. Like if I want my friends to join, they need to type, they will need to go up to network, connect to an existing network, then they're gonna type Notch's world, and I have a password. But if you have not set a password, you just click connect. So, and now you go into server properties file, which is located in the folder. You will edit some settings like spawn monsters, false. I don't want that. You can choose yourself. Spawn animals, true. Max player range, PvP, false. That's retarded. Level seed, seed name, seed level. Seed of the level. Server port, just leave it alone. Whitelist, if you want a whitelist. Spawn protection, just 16. But we will go up to server IP. go into Hamachi again, or if you haven't closed it like me, you will type in this 5.95.203, if it were that, yeah, 0.248. Save. And now you need to close your server so you can remember it. And now the server is ready. Now your friends could join if they're in the group of in Hamachi. And as you can see, we have a new fresh world. That's good. Now let's get some plugins. Just let the server run, and let's go to this link. This is a WinRAR file which I prepared for you with my plugins which I use. You can also get the plugins from the Bukkit forum. Oops, not that. You can also get it from there, but I just go into the forums, or just, and up here search like chat. I want a chat plugin, and it gives you a complete graphical logging, Big Brother, stats, and all that kind of fun stuff. I will leave the link in the description, or you can just search yourself. Now, passed in the media file link, so plugins.r. Sorry, just yeah, I did. What the fuck? Weird. Yeah, don't know why that happened. Sorry. Now when you have downloaded, you will open it, and as you can see, you have different plugins, jar files. Cleaner /clean cleans your inventory. Login message like welcome to the server. Magiccarpet, you can fly with it. It will leave when you're in the air. It will make a glass ground so you can walk on. And the glass ground will be reset after you walk away. Multiple homes like /set home 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Then you type in /home 1 or 2 or 3, and then it will teleport to you that home. PLG essentials is like, instead of give command, you can get 1,000 items just by typing something. World edit is just something you can use to world guard, which protects your server from fire, lava, and TNT. So you will drag the plugins into the plugins folder, and now you will restart the server 2 times. Restart. Lagging. Sorry. It's just because I'm recording, I think. Alright, now we got everything. Now we got a cleaner, and if you go into plugins, we get some other folders. Go into login message. It will lag again now. Just wait a little bit. Sorry about that. God damn it. Alright, now you type anything here, like welcome to the server. You can get colors, but I don't know how you do that. You can read about it in the plugins. Just search in login message on the Bukkit forum. And now you can also go into the world guard config. And now you get all kinds of configs like projection, simulation, physics, ignition like locked in T, fire, disable all fire spread, and you will just type on the disable fire spread blocks. You will just leave it like it is. I will just leave it as it is right now, just default. Now we get plugins. Now let's test this out. We have the server running, and our friends should be able to join if you haven't changed anything. And as you can see, the login message works. Now let's type in MC, and if we jump, the glass will appear, and it's slow because I'm rendering the world with this computer. And now, as you can see, it gets reset. And how to get down, you will hold down shift. And if you want it away, /MC again. Poof, the Magiccarpet disappears. Now let's try out the give command. Let me just up myself. Now let's give us item to 1000 or 1 million. Now we get a lot of grass. Now let's click /clean. Inventory cleaned, and it is. We're very happy now. Now let's click or type in home. Oops. Hello. Sorry. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Sorry. That's because I didn't set a home. Well, I died just here. Now let's test home /set home. Home 1 has been set. Set home 2. And now if you click home, it'll go to your home 1, home 2, home 2. And you can set as many homes you will. If you want to port forward and use the server without Hamachi, you can port forward your router by going to port forward. Just type in port forward, portforward.com. It will help you port forward any router if you just could remember your name and password, which I don't. And so that's the problem. And I will leave everything in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you. Goodbye, and thanks for watching. Please click like and comment.